Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection, you see the ideas of Merry Christmas ideas, Merry Christmas tree decoration of Merry Christmas combination of color, beautiful decoration. You know, Merry Christmas decoration is compulsory and everyone waiting for this festival. Increase your happiness, increase your love. It is a festival of joining of people and people togetherness. So guys, you are interested in this type of video and you are interested in the Merry Christmas ideas, that your first priority to subscribe my channel, like and share and comment. Thank you, keep watching and stay with me with the easy craft video. The craft is so beautiful and believe me, the collection is very beautiful for you. Keep watching and stay with me with the easy craft video. Thank you.